Yo.
Yo. Yo, what's up, people?
What's up, peoples? So today we're going to go and we live right near a waterfall. We knew about it when we moved in, we just haven't got around to going to it. But we're going to go and find it today, hopefully. Go and check it out. So
I'm so short.
yeah, she's got a waterfall outfit on. Looking beautiful. Hubba, hubba, hubba.
Hate him.
So yeah, we're going to go and check that out. Hey, look. Look at that. It's like a dinosaur, isn't it? What's that say? 2000. Oh, that's cool. Cool. Alright, we're in. Out that way? Which way are we going? Straight. Oh look, it says turn left. So we've made it, well, we made it to the stairs. Here it is, look.
Hey.
The old wifey.
Welcome. Follow me. Follow me.
So we just see a there's an American guy walking down the stairs as we turned up. We asked him how far it is. He reckons it's about a 15-minute walk up these stairs. So hopefully it ain't too much, because it's crazy hot today. Oh, maybe that's what you can drive up the side there. Someone told us you can drive up to it. There's a road over there, maybe you can. Oh well. Nah, it's fine, we'll walk it.
You should exercise.
Yeah.
You said we never walk too much.
We never walk anywhere. We walk to the bike, sit on the bike, and then we get off it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, around here is crazy. It's just green everywhere. It reminds me of Jurassic Park when I was driving towards it. We even see a little lizard. Hopefully you'll see that in the video. That looked like a little dinosaur. But yeah, it's true, in Thailand you don't really walk anywhere.
You hear that?
Yeah, I can hear it. Basically, you're in your house, and you jump on a bike to go anywhere, and you jump off that bike, walk about 10 steps and sit down to eat. Starting to hear the water. This can't be the main...
Over there. There's a bike over there.
Yeah, well there was a road there. Yeah, I reckon you can. The taxi driver before told us you can drive up to it. Look at this. What a jungle.
Go that way?
I guess we've got to keep... What's over there? There's another... It looks like there's a small waterfall over here, babe. And then the way you're going is a big one. Should we check this little one out first? Where are you gone? Look at that little midget. She's like a little... Gets excited and runs off. Where are you going? Can you go that way? No. Alright, there's a little one there. Alright, there's some people. Let me stick my mask back on. Oh. Sorry, Cap. I'm just waiting for a little T-Rex or little T-Rex? A T-Rex or something to jump out on me. Oh, it's in the mask. Not near anyone. So I'm guessing this is like a small one, and we've got to keep walking up to a bigger one, I'm guessing. The wife is taking some pictures of some flowers. She told me when they were young, there was a movie out, and these ones with the red bit inside. In the movie, a horror movie, they said that was blood, and it was ghosts or something, and they get you. When she was a kid, her and all her friends were scared of it. Nice. Not the biggest waterfall in the world, but hoping there's a bigger one up the top. We've been told that it's really nice up the top and you can swim there. So we've got our swim gear on. And if it is, we'll jump in and have a little splish splash. Oh. Again, if you're afraid, watch out for this. Everything's made for short people out here. Oh, we can go across there. Don't fall in, babe. Ooh, ooh. What's cute? Them little stairs? Some cute little stairs there, apparently. Oh, the flower.
Hello?
What's the best waterfall you've ever been to, babe?
Yeah, got Penang.
Koh Phanang. That's the nicest waterfall in Thailand.
I don't know, I have been there already. Got Penang, it had like step. Waterfall. And it's big.
Big, yeah.
It's not like this. Like, it had some like this, but small water is clear. And it's really cold.
Well, maybe when we get to the top of here, it will be similar.
I hope. I love this.
Ooh.
I want my house to have like this.
It's hot. It's crazy hot today. It was not too bad this morning. Went out to get some food and that. But just as we decided that we're going to come find a waterfall, the sun's come out. Sweating already. Not far, how do you know? We ain't even got there yet.
You said 15 minutes.
Yeah, he said 15 minutes. We've walked for about 2.
2 minutes?
Oh, maybe 3. That looks like another small one. You want to check that one out?
One. It was a big one or?
Well, I might as well check them all out. Don't go up to is he? He's swimming, is he? Oh. He's either swimming or going to the toilet. This one's a bit taller. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, good. Looks taller. Where are you going? Wait! You nearly sunk in there. Don't be careful then. You're going to slide on there, no? It's wet. Where are you going? What, you're going to go up there? You're going to climb up there, are you? Be careful, you donut. Look, you can't even stand on the sand without falling over. How are you going to stand on a slippery rock? Oh, she's off. All that for a picture. See why people die taking pictures now. Like when they take a selfie and get ran over. This is cool though. Would have a climb myself, but can't be asked. The wife is getting all the Insta pics. Hey up.
Can I jump it?
There's some rocks. As long as you miss the rocks, maybe you'll be alright. Huh? Oh, here? Hold on, hold on. Go on then. Hui! Look at her. Smoking hot. What are you doing now? Something useful. Coat hanger. Or glasses hanger, should I say. Right. Sweating. It's crazy hot today. Huh?
You have to enjoy it. That's why I said I like waterfall.
So we're gonna heading up to the top one. I guess it's the top one. Maybe there's more. So have you lot ever been to any waterfalls in Thailand? If you have, let us know in the comments below. Especially if they're in Phuket, because we can go and check them out now. Or actually, we can go and check out anything in the Phuket province. Easy. It's only when you go out of the province they start doing loads of checks and stuff. And you need paperwork and that. So if you know of any cool places or waterfalls or anything in Phuket province that we should go and check out, comment below and let us know. Where's this it, is it? Looks like the last one was the best one. It's pretty tame here. Why is it so? Oh, it's going to get bigger.
No, I want to take to that big tree.
We can go up more or not there? Or here, babe? No? Proper jungle in here. Deep in it now. I think that might be it, babe. I think the last one was the best one, and that's it. This ain't a waterfall at all, is it? Well, that looks like it, guys. I was hoping at the top was going to be a grand finale of a big one, but doesn't look like it at all. So we're going to head back down to the second one, I think it was. That was the best out of the bunch. Wifey wants some pictures for her Insta. Oh. Wow. Yeah, so that's that. That is, where are we? Where are we?
To waterfall.
Kathu Waterfall. Whoop. I'm not Wonder Woman. So yeah, we'll be doing some more activities for the YouTubes soon. Next up will be the boat trip to the island. She's busy taking some pictures. Yeah, next up will be the boat trip to the island, hopefully. We'll do that in the next couple of days. Apart from that, not sure. Well, that was disappointing. We got a taxi the other day, and the taxi driver told us that we could swim. So we've been talking about it for a long time, about doing the cooking video. My wife is going to cook. Well, she's going to teach me to cook and cook at the same time because I can't cook.
Gonna make my favorite noodles.
Noodles, somtam, crispy pork, pad thai. So if anyone wants to see that,
I don't like curry. Sorry, I don't like curry.
well, I didn't say curry, did I?
I don't like coconut. I mean,
What?
oh, careful.
Ain't my fault the floor fell, is it? Oh, these flip flops are wet now. I'm falling off. I'm stuck. Hold on. No stick. So.
Stick what?
Stick.
Stick what?
Stick and stick sticks.
Stick and what?
So if you want to see the cooking video, drop us a comment. Let us know. Oh, baby, go. Hey.
But I'm not really good cook, so.
Yes, you are. She's an amazing cook, especially compared to me or my mum. What are you laughing at?
What?
She's laughing about your cooking, mum. Look at this tree. It's cool. Funky tree. Oh. So we're back to waterfall number 2. Oh, on the way up. This is by far the best one. Wifey will take about 2 million pictures now. Baby, why are you so beautiful? I don't know if you've seen our videos, but there's basically a recurring thing where I'm a professional photographer. Hold up. Chocolate man in Thailand will love this one. See that? Smack it. Wide angle. Oh, she always tells me off when I use wide angle, but I'm going to use it anyway. Oh, pose 2. Look natural, look natural. Bang, bang. Oh, she's moving. Yeah, oh, hold on. More pictures. I just take, what I do, right, if any of you guys out there got missuses that make you take pictures all the time, just keep pushing the button. It's easy. Just keep pushing the button, take like 100 pictures, keep moving the camera around a little bit as well, and basically you can't go wrong. No, you can't jump from there, you idiot.
Can't hear you.
You're a midget.
Can't hear you.
You won't make it. Be careful. You're too small. Slip and fall. Those little midget feet of yours. No grip on them. I'll take another one. Hey, the camera's broke.
Huh?
Oh, back. Alright. It's a bit of a weird pose, that one. Look at that. Very natural. Here, I broke it again. See, iPhones, they're terrible. I don't know why anyone has one. Can't even take a picture anymore. Why would you buy this?
Huh?
Here you go, babe, it's broke again.
Huh?
iPhone crap.
Okay. There's too many shots. Red already.
Alright, well let's go and get a drink down the bottom, shall we?
Yeah, where's
She said you can swim. What are you going to do? Swim in that?
No, I'm...
What are you looking for?
Swim? I'm not swim.
No, I said the taxi girl said look, we can come here and swim. I put my swim shorts on for no reason. See? I said on my intro video to this channel, the first one, if you go to the channel and see the top one,
Huh?
that if you're lucky you'll get to see my wifey in a bikini. And today you have. So I wasn't lying. I guess there'll be more of that when we go to the island too. So a rating out of 10, babe. You're allowed to rate this whatever you like. You haven't got to be nice about it. Rating out of 10 for the Kathu. What's it called? Kathu waterfall. 7. It's pretty high.
What you?
Well, I don't know actually. That second waterfall was pretty cool.
This one I give. No, I cannot swim. I give 5.
5. 5 out of 10. If you ever was thinking about it,
Well,
now you've seen it, and you got the wifey's rating 5 out of 10, so you can go by that.
yeah. This is fire. See my.
What? More pictures.
No.
Well, let's get down and get a drink then.
You're about to die.
I think I've sweated out about 3 pints of Oishi. That's all I drink.
Oh, it's so far when you walk up. It's like.
Yeah, but it's easier walking down. No? Are they swimming down there, are they? I guess maybe that's where she was talking about swimming.
Dirty, isn't it?
Yeah, it looked really dirty. Although it's not just, I guess it's not dirt, it's just from the mountain, isn't it?
Like trees.
Yeah, it's just from where it runs down the mountain.
The waterfall is, you know, it's a rock. It's
Yeah.
coming through the rock. They swim a lot.
Oh yeah, they're swimming in there. Palang, palang. You hear that a lot when you're foreign. Record you? Can you do some cool jumps? Babe, can they do some flips or something?
กระโดดท่าเท่ๆดูได้ไหมล่ะกระโดดน้ำอ่ะท่าเท่ๆให้ดู
What about some bombs? Die. Okay, let's check this out. So there's some kids out down here swimming. They want me to film them. They want a foreign to film them. That means foreigner. We're going to see some dives or something. Cannonballs. What are they going to do then, baby? They can do bomb? You know what a bomb is? Where you run and hold your legs. Oh. Go on in. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey. Okay. Flip. What about that one? You can do that one? Same. You can do? They can do the same
เขา
here?
ทำเหมือนอันนี้ได้ไหมคนเนี้ย
Flip.
ทำอะไรอ่ะ
ทำเหมือนอันเนี้ย
ไอ้ทิศมึงทำไหมทำตีลังกาคือ
Somersault.
ไปไอ้ทิศนี่ไม่ค่อยเป็นแล้วก็ไม่มีเวลา
Yeah, he's getting shy.
ไปไอ้ทิศกันเลยเร็วๆเว้ย
This little kid's up. What's he doing this time? Go on, Em. They're all getting shy of the camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah. Cap on cap. Thank you, Em. So yeah, you can swim here. We didn't see anyone swimming in it. We didn't think about it. But yeah, you can swim in the water. That's cool. I'm not going to bother now, although I'm sweating. I'm
อันฟุตนี่
sweating.
ฟุตเลยมาที่สอง
I am sweating, but
Should I change to the long one?
yeah, probably. If we are in a Muslim island.
Yes, and we go to PP like.
Yeah, where that road goes up there. Oh, why have they put that? Look at this. They just put a random step. There. See that? Just sticks out for no reason. Just smack my toe on it.
Thought you get
Stub
my.
my toe.
You hurt.
Nothing worse than stubbing your toe. Why is that there?
What?
There, look. Why is that? Stand up.
Don't know. Ask me.
My fault for not looking, I guess. Sorry, cat. My fault for not looking. You got it.
Maybe in the back.
Sorry, Cap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Thank you. Come on, Cap. Well, wasn't the best waterfall in the world, but it also wasn't too far to walk. Remember how far we walked to go to the view in Samui? Not Samui.
Samui?
Koh Phi Phi. That was more than this.
Well, you have to go small. You look a real point. That,
Yeah, well, I think they're opening up.
by the wheel.
You can fly to Samui now.
Did you see the wheel I showed you before?
Yeah.
Same. But it's very high. Sweat.
Sweating now.
When I was there, have two girls wearing high heels.
Yeah?
Walk up there. Yeah.
Walk
Just
out.
go, yeah.
Wow.
And she just half. Only halfway.
Why would you walk up it in high heels?
Oh,
Surely you'll take your high heels off and just walk barefooted, no?
Probably she want to be pretty.
Well, I've got no high heels and
I
I'm
don't
pretty.
even want to wear shoes.
I'm not wearing high heels and I'm pretty.
You're not pretty.
What do you mean?
You're handsome.
Oh, handsome. Yeah, handsome, pretty, same though. Same but different, as they say in Thailand.
Handsome?
Oh yeah, just swim down here too. So that was it, that's the waterfall. Give us a subscribe, thumbs up, give us a comment below and all that. And follow us on our next venture. Peace.
Who's?
Check this out. We're just on the way home and we see this. Phuket wakeboarding. He's going around on his knees, that one in the back. Yeah. Some chick. Wakeboarding chick. Not seen anyone go over a jump yet. Or any of the grinds or anything. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll come back here one day and try it out. Hey, what's he at? Nah, thought he was going to do something. So yeah, if you're into wakeboarding, it'd be cool at the moment. There's hardly no one here. You'll be able to just keep going around and around. Oh, like this guy is. Go on, do a jump. Nah, one-handed though. Guess that's something. Oh look, they're going on their knees. Oh, he stacked it. Hey. Is he going to run him over? Oh look, they pick you up. Pull it off. Whoop. Oh, he's doing some grinds, this guy. I don't know if you can see him. Oh, he just stacked straight away.
Oh, that was not a good idea. Never do start 180, always start 180.
Yeah, he's trying to do a 180 on the way in. I don't know if you can see him, the guy that's like here at the moment, he was doing some tricks. We'll wait for him to come round. Alright, starting a little spin. So yeah, the guy here. Hey, there it goes again. Right, he's going to do a jump. Oh, hey. Landed it. Nice try. Go on. Doing one too. So yeah. Phuket wakeboarding is open and pretty quiet if you're into that. Photo shoot going on down there. Guy's posing. Pretend he's not looking at the camera. So that's it, we're off back home.
Can I try?
Yeah, we can try it out. We're going to try some surfing soon as well, actually. Phuket's the home of activities. Everyone does all sorts. Everyone's up to something sporty. Surfing, wakeboarding, tennis. It's all sorts going on here. So, we just stopped off at the side of the road on the way home. The wifey's getting some mango and some sausage on a stick. What picture for now? Pictures everywhere we go, it's getting ridiculous. Yeah. Alright. They are big mangoes, look at the size of them. It's mango, isn't it, babe? It is big. Are you buying it then? Oh, two there. Look at this out, right? True. Cheers, what? The internet. The guy's just changing some batteries. Car batteries they are. I'm not even joking, look. He just put 2 new batteries in it. Maybe our internet will be faster when we get back. I've never seen that before. You'd think they'd just be coming off the mains, wouldn't you? Not 2 batteries in there to keep
Thailand only.
So we're getting these 2 big
there.
mangoes. How much are those 2 big mangoes?
Don't know.
Oh, you're getting more. 2 big ones and what, 5 little ones?
Yeah. Repeat, little.
Little.
3 กิโล8เป็น190นะคะ
How much is that, babe?
9 190.
190 baht.
เอา10เลยได้ไหมคะไม่ค่ะ
190 baht for that mango. She'll fall over in a minute. Lopside.
Huh?
So you fall over, it's too heavy. Oh. The old hook. Comes in very handy. So we're gonna pop back. I'm gonna quickly try and stick this video together. Stick it on the YouTubes. And then I think we're gonna go live tonight. Do a little Q&A. You can come and ask us any questions you want. We did it on Facebook before. I've got a few people asking a few questions, but we can go live on YouTube now. I clicked the old button, so it took 24 hours, but now we're allowed to go live. So tune in tonight. Ask away. You can meet the dogs. I'll show you around the house maybe. So it's a bit hard because I have to keep the camera plugged into the laptop. But yeah. Come on tonight and check out the live. Another day in Phuket. Another day in paradise.